Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you how you can add JazzCash Payment Gateway to your e-commerce website. JazzCash Online Payment Gateway offers a dedicated portal to merchants to view real-time transactions and reconcile them. It is the second best payment gateway in Pakistan. As we know, that payment gateways like PayPal are not supported in Pakistan. So it is the best alternative payment gateway for Pakistanis. Also, if you want to know how you can create complete e-commerce website using only free resources, watch this video here. Also, if you want to know how you can create a custom header of your choice using Elementor or a premium version, watch this video here. Now let's get started. So we're gonna need JazzCash plugin to do it. So to install the plugin, hover on Plugins, and click Add New. Now search for JazzCash plugin. Here it is. Click on Install. Now click on Activate. Plugin is now successfully installed. Now to go to Settings, either click on the Settings here, or go to WooCommerce, and click on Settings. Now click on Payments tab. Here you can see that JazzCash Payment Gateway is added, also it's enabled. If is not, first enable it. Now click on Manage. Here change the title and description if you want. I am gonna leave it as it is. Now scroll down. Here we need to fill these details. We need to fill merchant ID, password, return URL, transaction post URL, integrity salt, and WSDL. You can fill all these details easily if you have the JazzCash merchant account. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Just watch the video and follow the steps. You're gonna need to create an account on JazzCash Sandbox website. If you don't have a merchant account, create an account by clicking on Sign Up button. You're gonna need to fill all the details about yourself and your business. You can also sign in using your Google account. I am gonna sign in with my Google account. Once you've successfully signed in, you can then generate the credentials which we're gonna be needing. So to generate it, scroll down and click on Generate Credentials button. Here you can see, it says that the return URL is mandatory. So this is the return URL. We're gonna need it. Now click on Generate Credentials. Credentials are now successfully generated. Now go back to your dashboard and paste it one by one under each respective field. Now for the transaction post URL, type this link. And for the WSDL, type this. Make sure to type your own website link here instead of localhost. Now copy this URL, and paste in your JazzCash Sandbox account. Under IPN URL, paste there. Now just click on Update. And save your settings on your dashboard too. All the settings are successfully saved, and we didn't face any error, which means our details are correct. Now let's check on the front end. I am going to add this product to cart. Now I am going to click on View Cart. Now I am going to click on Checkout. Here you can see, we now have the option of JazzCash payments. If I click on JazzCash option, you can see we now have 3 different options under JazzCash Gateway. First is JazzCash Mobile Account. Second is JazzCash Shop. It means you have to go physically to receive your order. And the third one is Credit and Debit Card. You can read the details just by clicking on the item you want details to. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to select the mobile account. Now just click on Place Order. I am going to fill the details real quick. Here you can see, JazzCash portal is opened. On the right sidebar, we have our order details. We just now enter the mobile number of the receiver. Once you've entered the number, click on Pay button. Here you can see that the message says, Transaction is in process, which means that you successfully send the payment to the receiver. And it's processing. Once the receiver will receive the payment, your order will be completed. If I show you in the back end, here you can see that the payment is pending. It means that the receiver is about to receive the payment. Once the receiver receives the payment, the order status will automatically change to completed. So that was how you can add JazzCash Payment Gateway to your website. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.